Now then, guys and gals, so today I am repairing this Indesit IDC85 condenser tumble dryer, and the belt snapped on it, so I'm fitting a replacement belt. Now, I have been on YouTube and I have found a very useful channel that shows you how to replace this. However, there's one step they seem to, well, I wouldn't say, I'd say misrepresent, and that's getting this belt over this pulley. And as you can see, this belt is really taut around this drum, and I'm not a small lad by any standards, but there's no way you can get that on. Now, the way the bloke shows it in the video, he just basically goes, boop, oh, there we go, it's on. Nah, mate, no. Right? You need to get your screwdriver around it like this, and try and hook the end of your screwdriver onto this feature here, and then you need to lever it on. And once you get it just a little bit on so the lip's over, and I'll show you in a minute, you can then rotate the drum either towards you or away from you as seen fit to get the belt over this drum. So if you just bear with me 1 second. So as you can see, I've got the screwdriver around and I've managed to lever it over the pulley. And going a bit further forward, there we go. So I've managed to sort of like wiggle this so it gets on, and then it should just now be a case of trying to pull this out slowly, carefully. There we go. And then we just rotate. Yeah, I will need to go this way. And there we go, we're on the ribs. Just give it a bit of a shuffle. Yeah, just basically keep rotating the drum until the belt's on the ribs, and that should be it. So hope you found this video useful. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'm sure I'll be putting some more up sometime soon. Take it easy, folks. Catch you later.